Guys, this is the fire alarm collection again. Starting from EST to various systems. This is Edwards G1RF HDVM Genesis multi-candela horn strobe. There's an Edwards and Bell. I don't know the number. I'm guessing it's 60-1. Here's an Edwards 270A SPO. Here's a Edwards, another 270 SPO. This one's EST and this one's Edwards. This one's local and this one's not. This is an AIP AI 270 SPO. And it's good news because I found my keys. So this is a EST SIGA 278. There's an Edwards GS 276B110. Here's a ADT 5060-S. The next row, it's a Purge 6060, also known as Simplex 425122. There's a Simplex. Forget the exact number. It's an ionization detector made in 1986. 2908-944 with a different cover plate. This is Simplex 9001 made in 1991. This thing's big. There's a Simplex Chevron. Forget the exact number. Wait, is this thing locked? What is it? I'm just gonna do that. Yeah. There's a Simplex RMS 1T 2T with a key lock. I'm going to turn this into a critical station. It's a 425130 third row. There's a Demco, I forget the exact number, it was 5 something. Like I said, I found my keys, so that's why I'm pulling all these. But here's a Radionics RMS 1T. Used to be a hex key, but it's been replaced with the whatever. This thing's actually rebranded Simplex, and so is this. Here's a Simplex 2903 light plate with the surface mount type. Here's a Simplex 4099. There's a Staples easy button.
That was easy.
Make it hear you again.
That was easy.
This one's a homemade one, but this is another homemade one, which is a BG100. To activate, you gotta open it up and type in the code. See, BG100. Here's a Firelight BG10LX. Here's a Firelight by Notifier of BG12. This thing's kind of messed up as a BG12LA. There's a Wheelock, moving on to the various things. Here's a Wheelock EHE01 with a Demco strobe on it. Here's a National Time and Signal 541S. Yeah, here's a Gentex, forget the exact number. There's a FCI MS2. Over here is an Angel MS2D. I'm also going to turn this. Into a bolt station. It's a fire suppression system release type. Basically, you pull it down, it activates a water system, like the sprinklers. There's a Siemens SEF HMC-R speaker strobe. There's a Siemens HMS-M. There's a Federal Signal 4050 0211T and another one that's missing the pull down thing. But it can stay down, but it goes up. This thing is a Notifier BNG1. there. That's a SHP plate for the wheel-lock alarm.
What you doing?
Doing video.
Sorry.